Hey guys, this is Nathan Booth, and this is Mobile Game Design Week 3, and I'm pretty happy with where I got this week. So I'll show you that real quick. Um, it's gonna flip, so let's flip that. Oh, freak! Sorry about that. There we go. Alrighty, so it's got really cool piano music. Thank you to Obsidian Snow for providing that. I know it's really glitchy on the screen right now, but the particle effect looks pretty smooth on it, and I like how that works. So if you start it up, it goes in, it's tower defense, and so, oh, I forgot to close it earlier. Sorry about that. I was messing around with it a minute ago. So let's try that again. So if you go in, touch to begin, and it takes you to a screen where it actually has the towers going. And again, it's going to be jittery on this screen share thing, but you can see that they're actually spawning. The towers are able to auto aim at them and hit them. I think it takes 6 shots right now to kill them. I can change that though, just like I could change the speed, I can change the spawn rate, I can change the number of spawns, the animations for them, all of that fun stuff. So unfortunately, I don't have this quite where I was hoping to get it to, but I am pretty happy with where it got. So whenever they get to this endpoint, they will, you can see that number goes down, and that's your lives if you played a tower defense. Pretty simple standard. So once they all die, I have it where it immediately gives you a second wave of faster enemies and more enemies. And they have a slightly different look to them, just so you can differentiate. This is the primary stuff. I mean, these guys are gonna kill me. Oh, I can pause it. If I click pause, you can see it stopped everything. And click play because it changes. And now they've killed me, so it gives me a game over screen. If I touch that, touch to begin. Now I kind of designed this where you're not able to win it right now. So if you click simulate win, then it gives you a congratulations screen of if you manage to get through all the waves. I'm wanting this to be a lot like a winner mall though, so if you're familiar with a winner mall, you don't really win those. Typically their final boss is practically impossible. So what did I find most valuable this week? I learned a lot about AI this week. That whole entire getting them to be able to move on their own, getting the targeting to work, a lot of AI nonsense, and that was probably the most valuable because I can't think of a game where you don't need AI of some sort. What did I find most challenging? Well, I spent the most time on the movement and getting it to be right. A star pathfinding, which is what I'm using with this, it isn't quite up to working completely with 2D stuff, at least not the way I was doing 2D yet. So it's kind of finicky, and if you didn't notice, every now and then the sprites do overlap on the edges of that thing. Try to get rid of that. Got it the best I could, but there's only so much you can do there without going even deeper. And I probably will go and do that for this next week, but this week I just couldn't spend that much on it. And things I could use more clarification, I can't think of anything. Once again, I felt that a lot of these are pretty clear on what is being asked of us, and so I'm not really having any problems. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I hope this final week goes really well. It's going to be a rough one, but it should be fun. Again, my name's Nathan, and that's my video. Bye.